Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Gains Network. In today's video, I would like to show you this falling wedge pattern, and I would also like to show you my recent trade signal for Gains Network that I shared few days ago, almost 3 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for gains that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that Gains Network has formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. In fact, it was completing the final leg. You can see it was not entered in this buying zone and you can see that the buying zone was starting from $3.95 and goes to $3.87. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down. And once it will be entered inside this buying zone, then we can expect the next price reversal from here. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down and completed the leg and entered the buying zone. And then we had a very, very nice pump and reached the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Gains Network. This is the daily time frame chart, by the way. And you can see that since after 17th of Feb 2023, the price line is moving inside this falling wedge pattern, and the movement is getting quite squeezed inside this wedge. You can see now we are reached almost at the end of this falling wedge pattern. By the way, this is the bullish bias pattern, therefore there are more chances for the breakout. But right now there is a bearish divergence flashed on this chart. You can see there is a slight bearish divergence. If we take a look at the price line, then you can see it formed this high here, and next high is it is not able to form another higher than the previous high. But on the opposite side, on the other hand, we can see that stochastic is forming higher than previous high. Even RSI is forming higher than previous high. So there is a bearish divergence, and there can be a probability that the price may again drop at the support of this falling wedge pattern. This time, the support will be approximately at $3.50. But even then, eventually, it can break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, but there can be another very, very strong resistance on that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5.25. Previously, we can see that this level of $4.60 has been working as a nice support here and nice support here. Therefore, again, it can work as a resistance for the price. And because if a level is previously working as a support, that can be flipped into a strong resistance in case of breaking down. And after the breakdown, you can see once we will be reached there, then it can work as a resistance for the price. And after that, the next resistance level will be here at $5.25. And previously, this level has been working as a resistance here, as a support here, and as a support here on 12th of March, on 11th of March 2023 as well. Therefore, that can be another resistance for the price. And however, once the price end will be able to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, the technical target can be here for that breakout. That is here at the top of the wedge that can be approximately between $13 to $15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.